Hi everyone, how's your day? Glad to see you on YouTube. Welcome to my free tutorial. Today I am showing you how to get worldwide TV on your computer or your laptop free. Okay, first things first, I'm going to do some magic. We're going to go into Google Chrome, open Google Chrome, and I'll make that bigger and enlarge that for you. So what we are doing in the address bar or search bar in Google is typing the words PROG DVB. So PROG DVB. Go ahead, enter it. What we are fetching is what we call a user interface platform for free TV. So we're looking for www.progdvb.com. Underneath that should read Prog DVB homepage. It's basically software for watching digital TV and listening to radio channels. That's what we're heading for, internet TV. Let's go ahead, click on that. Okay, up here where it says Prog DVB, come on down to downloads on the left side of your screen where it says download. One click on download, and we're looking for Prog DVB Network Edition for 32 and 64-bit operating system. This is the one I want you to grab because there's a good reason why we're grabbing this one only. Go ahead, click on that for now. I'm using Windows 10, so the download is now downloading, bottom left of my screen where it says down here. I'm going to go ahead and click the arrow link button that's pointing upwards and go on up to open when done. Okay, that's come up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, I do. Please select the language. We have all sorts of languages, so I'm English, so whatever your preferences, there are preferences there. I'm going to go with English. Okay. Okay, welcome to Program DVB Network Edition Setup. We'll guide you through the installation of Prog DVB Network Edition. Next. License agreement. Read or skim carefully as you go through it. Bring it down to the bottom and just basically agree. I agree. C program files is fine to have the application sorted through there. C program files. Go next. And space required is 51 megabytes. Shared settings for all users. That's perfect. In here, adjustment of source of TV, yes. Tick in the box where it goes IPTV or M3U list of any channels. That's a must have that. And click in here where it goes client for Prog Media Server. Okay, so it basically explains it. Everything's ticked. Go ahead, next. Leave this, we will come back to the interface configuration very soon. This doesn't do much for me adjusting this now because it just doesn't work. So go ahead, click next. Prog Media Server module, yes. Prog DVB scheduler service, I guess. I'm not too familiar with it, so I leave it. I've seen a lot of people do this and they leave that out. I don't know why. You have Elecard MPG2 and Trade Tool for startup program. Go ahead, install. Just be with me, the program is coming along. This is the normal. Just takes a moment. And it is done, so that took a moment, but it was alright. Click in Run in the box where it says Run Prog DVB Network Edition and click on Finish. We do not need this page open, so we can close it. We've just got the user interface. Don't worry about this at first, we will change this soon so it is won't be popping up. Just go ahead OK for now. Right, first things first, user interface. We're going to change this and we're going to make it a more premium, dark, stylistic type of interface, user interface that's good on the eyes. So come on along the tab bar to settings on the application. Click on settings, come on down to options. On your left side under program DVB options you have main and then you have user interface. Click once on user interface, come across to the skin where it says skin, click anywhere in the box and come on down to Winamp V7. Winamp version 7, click on that and go ahead down bottom right to apply and apply. You must restart Prog DVB to apply changes. Do you want to restart now? Yes. Okay, just ignore this for now, we're going to change that in a fraction of a moment. First things first, we need to register this, so don't do anything right now. I'm going to do the rest for you. I'm just going to do some magic. Don't worry about this, I'm doing this right now. We'll get into it soon. This will take a moment. I wasn't prepared with this one, I forgot. Okay. My apologies people, I forgot all about this. I was supposed to prepare this on Notepad. Just grabbing the license key for activation product. And make sure that goes in here. Okay, let's make that a bit bigger on the viewing so you can see it. 22 is good for the font. That's better. Okay, let's bring that down. Use my name for preference for hearts. So if you want to jot these down, freeze the video and get hold of this information. Right click this, I'm going to right click it, copy and bring up the help menu, go down to registration under help and CD key, going to right click and paste the key. So I'll put the key here and again my name, use my name, it's okay. You could probably get away with it if you put your name, but use my Gmail because it's registered to my Gmail.
You could probably get away with putting your own name, but I use my Gmail because the key, CDI key, is registered to my name, but no harm in anyone else using it. It is a share it key, which is shareable. So 3 simple basic steps here. We have key, name and email. Simplicity, that's it. And click on activation. Registration key is correct. Please restart PROG DVB to finish the registration process. This is good. Okay, it's now registered. Double click on the DVB, the icon with the satellite. Okay, now channel time. Let's get some channels. Okay, that for now. Click on Google Chrome. When Google Chrome is open, come on down to your search bar or anywhere in your computer search bar and type in Notepad. N-E. Notepads come up. We need Notepad. And just minimize it. Up in the right there, minimize. Should come down to your taskbar. Leave it there. Make Google Chrome a bit bigger. Okay, up here in the search bar for Google Chrome, we're going to type in Fluxus IPTV playlist. FLUXUS spacebar IPTV spacebar playlist PLAYLIST. So it should read Fluxus IPTV playlist. Go ahead, enter. We are looking for a fluxustv.blogspot.com. Underneath it should have playlist Fluxus TV. Go ahead, click on it. In the center here of Fluxus TV, here in the center of the page, come down, you have a Fluxus IPTV in blue, Fluxus Faith in yellow, Fluxus CCTV or webcams in green, Fluxus Radio in red or orange, and a Fluxus Cinema in purple. Fluxus Lust for those of you who like adult entertainment. For this example, we're going to do 2, Fluxus IPTV and Fluxus Radio. First we will start with Fluxus IPTV. So each one of these, if you click on them, are a link. So click on that. And we're going to the permanent URL. You can either go to the end, left click, hold finger down on the left click button and run it along till it's all blue. Or you can simply click 3 times really fast. 1, 2, 3. Either way, and now right click on your mouse and go up or come down to what is go to https //pastebin.com raw zz gtysze. So we're just going to go to https pastebin, click on that. This is why it's called a pastebin, because a whole lot of readable text file information that only our interface program can pick up is this. So with your left mouse, this is where the notepad's coming in very soon. With your left mouse, click anywhere in there, right click, oh no, sorry, okay, wait. With your left finger on the control and right finger on the letter A, release, highlights the lot. So control and A on your keyboard. With your mouse, right click button on the left side, on the right side, right click and copy. Let's go ahead, bring up Notepad. Notepad's up. Right click anywhere in here, right click and paste. Ahead to file, up in the tab column, file, click on that, come on down to save as,
not save but save as. Down here where it says file name, we're going to name it Fluxus, with text highlighted blue, FLUXUS dot M3U8. That's M for marquee, Fluxus.M3U8. We put the dot M3U8 so it's readable extension file as a TV program. So we need that M3U8. Underneath that in text documents, click anywhere in the box where it says text documents and go to all files. Come across to your right where it says save and click on save. Okay, that's in documents. Let's go ahead and go to file and go new. So we have a new file, minimize, come up to where it's got the paste bin, the X, click on the X, and where Fluxus IPTV is, go to the back arrow and click once. Okay, the second example was Fluxus Radio in orange or red. Click on Fluxus Radio, bring it down a bit, and triple click in here, 3 clicks really fast, and right click and up to or down to go to HTTPS paste bin. Let's go ahead, click on that. Once again a paste bin has come up. Click anywhere in here with your left hand, one finger on control button or on CTRL, and just quickly touch the A button, letter A, highlights all. Okay, put your left finger back on control and your right finger on the letter C. Okay, that's control and C. Let's bring up Notepad. Put your left finger on the control and your right finger on V, or you can copy and paste, either way. Let's go to file now. We've selected all, copy and pasted it. File, down to save as, and we're going to name this Fluxus Radio, FLUXUS, capital R ADIO, or you can use a small r, either way. Now don't forget dot M3U8, which is a readable text file for TV. In text documents underneath where it says save as type, click in there, make it all files and save. We don't need this, and we don't need the Google page open. Cross out, we're back in here. The orange folder in your user interface, the orange folder here, click once on that and come on down to documents. In your file explorer, come to documents. Now it won't show because we have to come across down to the right bottom where it says MPEG, where it says MPEG2 video. Click in there, go all the way down to all files. Now they show. Our first one was IPTV. Let's double click on that, and voila, there it is. There we go, all your American TV and worldwide TV. Now let's go back up to the orange folder and grab the other one. Now this is where that thing pops up, so I'll show you what next to do. Double click on radio, Fluxus Radio. Now across to here where it says updates, click once. You'll hear a bell and then OK that. And here it is. So if we go along from left to right, Kingdom Slynet, all your channels here. These are all good movies. The earliest movie I found was 1929. Radio Slynet, all your radio stations. Again, Free Best TV, Russian, mixed, European, Free World TV again, Internet Radio, the one we've added, IPTV client, which was Fluxus. And here you've got America channels, all kinds of channels. This is the one we got, Fluxus. Turn the volume up. Retro TV. There we go.
Oh, I have the most wonderful entertainers that you've ever seen in your life.
No, this is my dog. How you like that?
Okay, and again, Fluxus Radio, USA music channels, all sorts. Oh, I've got to click on one. There we go, there's one.
I see now. The surrounding brush is so thick the stuff must have been fired close up.
If we could find the empty cartridge and then find the gun from which it was
I
fired.
think we'll have to go to that much trouble, Rusty. Come on, let's look around here a bit. Even after 6 months, there'd still be time to tell.
Dan,
And one more thing, come up to settings. Click in there, I've got to be really quick, it's dinner time, so I've got to go. Come on down from settings, come on down to FreeSkyNet, which says FreeSkyNet, click on that. And there's a couple of boxes here. Tick in where it says worldwide webcams and tick in where it says 3G Bolshu TV SkyNet. Click there. If you prefer adults, there's adults option. Just go ahead, click OK, and they will update. And here they are here. Worldwide cams. There's an elephant cam. Oh, let's see if that one's going. Okay, some of them will take a while to fire up.
Oh, only another button, gee, there's ants all over here.
Alright, they will work eventually, it's just still firing up. All the channels are still loading. But there you go anyway, there's all sorts there. And to turn it off, come down to the icon and click close window. That's the only way you can turn this off. Close window. You have a view button where you can make the video panel appear and disappear. And that's it for now, folks. Have a good day.